Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, thanks for tuning in. This is a FabFitFun unboxing. So I don't think I've ever actually shared FabFitFun on my channel yet, but I've actually been a subscriber to FabFitFun for a year. Yeah, a full year, and then this will be like, I think this is gonna be like my 5th. It may have been longer than that actually. Anyways, for over a year I've actually been subscribed to FabFitFun, and I am so in love with FabFitFun. This is a quarterly subscription box, and you get this once every 3 months, so 4 times total a year, and they are seasonal. So basically every time they do it, they kind of base it around whatever season you're going into. So since this is the winter box, we are probably gonna see some winter things in here. Oh, also one thing I love about these boxes is that this box changes every time they do a new design, and it usually looks very seasonal. So like you can see like the fireplace on this one, and they just always make them look really cute. And this box is in support of the Kindness Factory. I'm not sure exactly what that is, but I know for sure that they're gonna talk about it in the little pamphlet that they give you. If you'd like to see these kind of videos, make sure you subscribe to my channel, because like I said, I have been getting this for a long time, and I don't plan on canceling it anytime soon. So these will be on my channel in the future. Let's get into the box. Alright, so we're opening the box. This box is really big, by the way. So this says, what is it? Find your cozy. Wow, okay. I don't see cursive writing enough anymore. Wow. Find your cozy. So again, winter theme, coziness, all that good stuff. So when you first open up the box, you always get either like, sometimes they make it look like a little newspaper, and this one looks like a magazine, and it tells you all about the products inside, and it gives you stories. So then they talk about a whole thing about whoever like sponsors the box. The charity that they talk about for this specific box is the Kindness Factory, and it talks all about it. The Kindness Factory is a charity that focuses on one small act at a time. So basically small acts of kindness to others, and you can use the hashtag one small act to share like your story of kindness. Love that. I totally believe in small acts of kindness. I'm kind of a believer in karma. I think that if you do good things will come to you. So I think that this is a really awesome charity that they have. And so I'm gonna read the rest of that later. Okay, so when we open the box, here's the stuff inside. I'm just gonna like start like what's on top. This is the Ahava Hydration Cream Mask. I'm assuming this is like some kind of moisturizer, hydration infused and nourished with thirsty skin for active hydrating mask, a rich creamy smooth skin, providing hydration and comfort. Apply once or twice a week. Rinse after 3 to 5 minutes or leave on all night. Okay, so it's just a hydration mask. I really want to smell it. Ooh. Oh yeah. Oh, that smells good. It smells really nice. It's thick, but it's not too thick. But it feels very hydrating. Ooh, like that. I'm so excited for this. I think that this is one of the things that I was able to choose. There's certain things that you get to customize before they send it out to you. I think you get to like choose like 2 things that you would prefer to have in your box. So like this one, I got to choose between the glove headband duo thing and this this is a hair mask. I didn't get to it yet. This is the Moroccan Gold Series Intense Hair Care Treatment Mask. I love hair masks. I literally use a hair mask every time I take a shower. I don't even use conditioner anymore. I have so many hair mask backups of different kinds of hair masks that I like, because all I use is hair masks. So I'm so excited to have another hair mask to try. Oh, you know, that kind of smells like baby powder. It doesn't smell bad. When I actually use it in my hair, it's gonna be like after I get out of the shower and be able to tell like if I really like the scent or not, because I think that's another reason why I like hair masks, because I feel like the scent stays in my hair, and I'm just like a scent person. I love things that smell good. Which brings us to our next thing, essential oils. We get a couple of essential oils in this box. This is the Elevate 2 essential oils, eucalyptus and sweet orange with fragranted coconut and jojoba oil. So the box looks like this. So there's 2 different ones in here. I like essential oils for certain things. Like I love to use tea tree oil in a bunch of different things. Like I use it in my cleaning, my like all-purpose cleaner that I use all the time around the house. And also we get really bad stink bugs here in Italy, and I found that essential oils will help keep them away. We first bought my car here in Italy. It's just like a cheap car that we got, and I was getting stink bugs in my car, which isn't uncommon. Like there are stink bugs everywhere, but I noticed I was getting like some in my car. So what I did was I got some essential oils and I like put it all over my car, and they stopped coming in my car. I'm really excited for this. I think I'm just gonna start making it a thing where like in every video I'm just gonna drop something for you guys, you know, but on purpose. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna drop anything regardless. That was a bad joke. Oh yes, I love citrusy and orange stuff. Oh god, that smells good. Eucalyptus is pretty basic, strong scent. Ooh, you know what? I just realized I forgot to tell you guys the prices of stuff. The Ahava hydration cream mask is $33. Dang! The hair mask is $49. Oh my god, that's crazy. That's how much the box costs. Like literally, this is the box. Essential oils, they cost $31. Wow, that's pretty expensive. FabFitFun always includes really awesome products that I would consider kind of luxury, especially this next product I'm about to show you. This is some bougie stuff right here. This is by Sherry Matthews Acupuncture. She's a celebrity acupuncturist and herbalist. This is a Jade Roller, and if you guys don't know what a Jade Roller is, it's one of these really fancy products that have been showing up in the beauty world, and it's one of these things. One of these, like, it's a roller, and mine's kind of like tight. Sorry, that's just, I can't help it. So I think I found a flaw with the product. This thing just fell out. How do I get it back in? I got it back in. I have a feeling that might happen again eventually. Oh god. Why didn't they make it all the way through like this one? Use daily for 2 minutes after moisturizing. Gently roll in an upward direction around face, neck, and under the eyes for a special treat. Pop in the fridge for extra cooling effect. That's why I chose. This was another product that I was able to choose. I forgot that I actually chose it because you can put it in the freezer and it'll get really nice and cold. And okay, so this is such a weird thing that I do. I have very sensitive skin when it comes to like bug bites and like sunburn and that kind of thing. I don't really get acne or anything, but like when it comes to like environmental things like bugs and just like the sun, I have very sensitive skin. Whatever I do when I get a mosquito bite or I just get like somewhere that I have like a bite, I like to take a piece of ice and like rub it on there so I don't itch it, because I can't keep my hands off of a mosquito bite. Like I can't. So I thought maybe like if I had this, I could put it in the freezer and then I would be able to like soothe it, or like, I don't know. It's totally not the purpose for this thing, but you know, whatever works, I guess. I don't know if I really believe in these things. This Jade Roller retails for $45. Oh my god. This is the black with a Q eye mask hyaluronic acid. Ooh, hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. Hyaluronic acid. Late nights, too many cheeky wines, and let's not forget those carb to carb delights can have our peepers looking well, not still fresh. I like the way they have this word. It's cute. Leave the evidence of last night behind and pop on an activated charcoal eye mask to depuff, Hello, that was rude. I always forget to turn my hair straightener off. But depuff, detox, and get back to your shiny, gorgeous self. So these are little eye masks. Oh, and it comes with 5 masks. Oh my god, they look, you can like see through the package. Excited for these. I'm gonna wear some of these tonight. I really want to see what these are like. This would be really good, like if you had a night where you like were a little upset and maybe started crying about something that you realized in the morning was kind of stupid, you know? We've all done it. It's okay. And these eye masks retail for $29. This is the Thrive Cosmetics. I'm really excited to try this brand. This is the Brilliant Eye Brightener Highlighting Stick. Applied to the brow bone, lids, waterline, corners of eye. Hey, you can put this pretty much anywhere. It's got a little sharpener included. Okay, so let's open this up. This is the shade Stella. It's a champagne color. And this retails for $24. It's nice. I like the packaging. Oh, and then I wanted to mention about Thrive Cosmetics. I'm just gonna read the thing. It says, beauty with a purpose. For every product you choose, we donate to a woman in need. So they're a really good brand to support because you're gonna be supporting other women as well, which is awesome. Okay, so it looks like that. You can just like put some on top. Maybe like some up here. You see it? Ooh, that's pretty. It's just like so easy to like put it on there because it's in a stick. Ooh, that's so pretty. I love that. You see it? Oh, this is cute. This is the Bite Beauty Amuse Bouche lipstick. Sorry, I'm literally the weirdest. Let me move my mirror. Actually, I might need this. I'm gonna put it on my lips. This is the Bite Beauty lipstick. It retails for $26. And this is in the shade Meringue. I'm so excited. I got this shade. I think it's a nude shade. There was like 2 different ones that you could get. And I think this is the nude one. I have never tried Bite Beauty. And the color looks like this. Oh, girl, yes. Oh, I love that. I love nudes. I know nudes. I love nudes. Ugh. Oh, it's really creamy. Ooh, that smells good. Oh my god, this is so pretty. What is this? Where did this come from? This definitely looks like one of those lipsticks you could like put in your purse because the color like would go with like anything and it would even look good like without like a bunch of makeup on. Ooh, I like this a lot. Oh, it's so pretty. This is by Houston. So this, I believe, is like a jewelry like portfolio thing. It looks like this. Love the color. It's like champagne. It's really pretty. It's supposed to be for your jewelry. So you open it up. Oh my god, I'm so excited for this. It looks like this. So it's basically, it's a portfolio for your jewelry. So you can put like, if you can see here, it's got like holes here. You can put earrings here, maybe like some rings up here. And then you got like a little zipper pouch. So for like maybe other like hoops or something you could put in here, or bracelets. It's like a little like felt thing to separate the two, which is nice. To kind of keep, oh, I'm assuming it's probably to keep this part like covered because this part is for necklaces. Your necklace like in here, like this, and you can put it here, I think, to kind of like keep them from getting tangled. And you got your necklace, and then it doesn't get tangled with everything. I'm definitely gonna use this for traveling soon. So, and it's pretty like thin, so it'll slip into your like suitcase really easily. It's very thin. This retails for $48. Oh, this box, like everything has been so expensive. The last thing in the box is a blanket. This is the Mark and Graham personalized gift. I wonder how big this is. It's pretty thin. It feels like really thin. It's like a good little throw, you know? Like to have on the couch or whatever. Or like, ooh, if you're like going to watch a football game and you're like supporting your child in the freezing cold, this is like the perfect thing. I'm not funny. It's like thin, but it feels nice and like cozy, you know? Like a little cozy. This retails for $49. Oh my god. I don't think I would spend $49 on this, but I'm glad that it came in the box. That was everything in my box. It was great. I'm really excited about it. I hope you are too. I literally like can't take myself serious sometimes. The box was amazing. I think we got so much good stuff. The total retail value of my box is $334 and I paid $49.99. So worth it. I just love how many different things you get in the box. I think it's amazing and it's so worth the price. So if you're interested in FabFitFun, I will leave a link in the description box. I'm not affiliated with them. I'm way too small. I'm a little baby here on YouTube, so you know, brands don't work with me. If you feel like it, subscribe to my channel. I'd love it if you did, and I would love to have you here. And I will see you guys in my next video. Peace. I feel like I'm constantly stealing other people's things. Like, how do you even be unique on YouTube?